When you in my way, gotta say, we let it on drain, smoke it on good, say it was good. Hey. Straighten up that knee a little bit. Back at it with another Nature's Gym. We're gonna put in.
Bars have become so light. The challenge here is just to forget. Just fucking keep going until you just can't.
See, we're putting that work, man. Little by little, trying to get our weight up. You gotta get out here. You gotta get out here in nature and just run these trails. Run all these different types of trails and hills. See that hill up there? That's good for the legs. We stuck to our goals and we put in that work, man. Yeah. So my brother just showing us how we're able to stretch, do workouts and stuff like that. Man, we came up with so many inventions. We don't even need a gym. You don't even need a gym. You just need to come out here. These hills will work out your legs. You can do a push-up, ground your body through a push-up, and just keep at it. Keep at it until you see results. You're gonna feel better. You know, exercising makes you feel way better about yourself. It just gets you going. You gotta work out that inner beast, you know? We gotta make sure we're working out our inner beast and making sure that, you know, we getting that out, all that energy. You know what I'm saying?
Hey, bro. It's too much. I'm right behind you. How you do? You just put it over your shoulder? Yeah. Like you throw it over your shoulder. Like this? Yeah. You know what I'm saying? All right. Let's get it. Get dirty. Breathe in your nose, out your mouth.
Good stuff.
As y'all don't know, that was a big ass hill.
Yeah.
I was going down. This log right here.
Time to get it right back up.
Gotta pick that shit up. Take it back down.
I kept this part in here so y'all could really see that I was struggling. It wasn't a light log either.
Hey, you gonna edit this, right?
Yeah.
Okay, cool.
Why? Cause that look lame?
No, cause I'm saying fat bitch shit. Oh shit. Gotta get it back up. Breathe through your nose.
I actually threw it down because there was a big amount of dust and wood chips that went in my left eye.
You're doing good. Hell yeah, cause I know that ain't light. And it's awkward position of holding it. That's what the soldiers do.
It kind of looked that way too because I was trying to play it off a little bit. Don't ever give up. That was pretty challenging. Breathing through your nose out your mouth. Ooh. Yeah. Just go over here. See my brother about to take this uphill. These logs we actually picked up from the side. They might look small, but like they weigh like 100 pounds or more. And mind you, everybody, like we really doing this to really push each other. We're not doing this to like stress our body out or none, you know, in a unnecessary way. This is what this is for, you know, the lifting logs and stuff. We really trying to push each other. This is one of the activities. Shout out to my brother. Let's get it, man. Yeah, man. So yeah, man, yeah, we out here, you know, we getting it, continuing the nature gym saga, the episodes, the show, and we made a lot of progression out here, man. So proud of us, so proud of my brother. He stuck to it. As soon as we started in the wintertime, man, go back to our first nature gym. We really just got out there. We didn't plan it. None of that. We came across a few herbs out here. That's medicine. nature really gave me an opportunity to revive myself, literally. And I'm thankful. I'm so thankful to breathe and meditate. Meditate on what I really want in life. You doing another run, bro?
What's up?
You doing another run? God dang. It's a worker ant right there.
Okay.
How you feel, bro?
Bro, that other log I took up there was heavier than that.
Yeah.
That bitch light. That's light. The one I took up was heavier.
Yeah, man. I just want to appreciate everybody that's been watching. We got out here in nature and really soaked up the sun, soak up the noises, the sounds of these bugs. What is it called, bro? The cicadas? The cicada bugs. The way they send a sound out, it's good for your eardrums. Yeah, as soon as they emit a sound, it goes straight to your eardrums and it heals your brain. You know, these vibrations are unique. They're not man-made. They're not machines or none of that. So when it hits your brain, it really heals your body. It gets your body in tune with the environment. Unlike the trucks and machines in the inner city. Those sounds are dangerous for your body. We're almost there. We got a lot coming, a lot on the way. This is a good time to really get in tune with Mother Nature and appreciate her.